Hello everyone, I am Rebecca Nirmal from Poonol Silks. This is kurtas collections. Cotton kurtas collections. So first we have this top. The top color is purple shade, lavender shade. This is the sleeve end. Sleeve end material. Work. Yoke portion embroidery work. Yoke portion. Dupatta. This is the full floral works highlight bottom this pattern sleeve pattern match set this elastic straight pants available. Next in the color change in the price is 1100 set in the price sets in the price in the color is ash shade color in the dupatta dupatta and then a color change. In the bottom in the bottom. Next is mustard yellow shade 1100 in the price. The sizes from medium to double XL are available. Side slit top. Dupatta ingane varunu. Idana dupatta. Idevole bottom ingane varunu. Idana inde bottom varunathu. So ipo kana products namukku web through WhatsApp through purchase cheyam. So support idellarkum thank you so much.